Do you want to write a content that is 100% unique, free from plagiarism and bypass AI detection? If yes, then this video is right for you. I am going to share with you all the free tools websites you need to write your video scripts, write an SEO friendly blog post, craft high converting video sales letter, and any other forms of copywriting. Not only that, I am also going to reveal to you how to generate the best prompts so that you can get the best result that you desire. In order to get it done, we are going to be making use of three websites. The first one is ChatGPT. To get started, I have this prompt that I wanted to use. Here is the prompt. I wanted to create a blog post on affiliate marketing. Can you please give me at least 5 affiliate marketing titles that are SEO friendly? Use powerful words that create curiosity and make sure you front load the focus keyword before others. Now, I'll click on send. As you can see, it is done generating the title. Based on the 5 titles it has generated for me, so I'm going to pick the second one. So I'm going to ask it to generate a blog post outline for me based on the second title written above. So I'll put it in quotes, then I'll paste it here. As you can see, this is the next prompt that I wanted to use. Based on this title, affiliate marketing success, 5 powerful tactics you are not using yet. Come up with an outline, then I'll click on send. As you can see, it is generating an outline for me. It's done generating the outlines for me. Now, this is the next prompt. Based on the outlines generated above, write at least 1500 blog posts for me. Then I'll click on send. As you can see, it's done generating the whole blog post for me. We are done with step number 1. Now, let's move on to the next step. Now, we wanted to make sure that this particular blog post or this article is 100% unique and it is plagiarism free, and it can also bypass AI detection. So let's make it possible. Firstly, I'm going to copy everything. I'll click on copy. The second website we are going to be using is plagiarismremover.net. Basically, we are going to use it to check for plagiarism. All you need to do is to click on plagiarism checker. Then I'm going to paste the blog post I've copied. I'll format it first by removing all these asterisk and hashtag. Now, I'm done with the formatting. Basically, this tool can only take up to 1000 words at a time. If you have more than 1000 words, you need to do it in section. Maybe you can copy the first 1000 and check for plagiarism, then you copy every other one and check for plagiarism again until you are done. Now, I've removed some excess words so that I can do it in batches. Now, as you can see, I have 987 words here, plagiarism or not. If it has, we are going to remove it, but if it doesn't have, then we can move to the next section. As you can see, it is done checking. It doesn't have any plagiarism and it is 100% unique. Now that we are done with this section, let's move to the third section, whereby we are going to check for AI detection. Then I'll copy the text. Copy. The next website is called statemwriter.ai. So I'm going to click on AI detector. Then I'm going to paste it here. So I'll click on check for AI. You can see here it has detected that this content was written with AI, but there is a way around it. Since we are using the free version for the humanizer, you can only check for 300 words at a time. So you need to do it step by step or gradually. So once you are done with the first 300, then you paste the second 300 like that until you are finally done. So I'm going to scroll to this section and cut away every other section just to be done with this one first. So as you can see now, I have 284 words. So and 300 is the maximum that you can do at a time. So you have to do it gradually. So now I'm going to scroll to this section, then I'll click on humanize. As you can see, it has rewrite this content in such a way that human will write it exactly. As you can see, this content is unique, it is plagiarism free, and it cannot be detected by AI. It assumes it is written purely by human being. So this is how you can write any form of content using AI and bypass AI detection, as well as make it unique and free from plagiarism. If you really enjoyed this video, please support my channel by subscribing to my channel. Also turn on the post notification bell so that each time I upload a new video like this, you'll be the first person to be updated. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.